Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Yellow building, but I think it's some kind of let me check out the stairs. There's actually stairs that go all the way up like that. And it's like a brick. And just kind of show you a little bit of what it looks like. Okay, so I guess this is the stuff right there. So there's our street sign. So we're going to be going down this little alley and past this Mercado. We're kind of in a very interesting area already. This goes up to the South January Hospital. This street is actually called Rua de Colina, which I think is like climb the street. And then our street is actually going to start down that way. So I'm going to walk down that way, and then we'll start our street, and then we'll show you some of the businesses, show you some of the stuff, and then we're gonna just walk right into that alley, which is also part of the same street, and go past the Mercado. So stay tuned for Rua de Henrique de Macedo 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado da boquinha.
Okay, so now I'm at the base of our street. There's the street sign right there, Rua de Henrique de Macau. And we're gonna see if this guy runs across the street. Oh, you just saw the police, he's not going to. This is a really dangerous street. Oh, he is going to. The police just went by, so I thought he was not going to. But the traffic comes right through here. It's very fast, and it's just kind of unrelenting. And it looks like this guy's gonna run it. Let's see. And also, I just want to show off some of the rooftop. Oh, I guess it's a really dangerous one, so you really shouldn't. But sometimes people try to run across there. So, but anyways, we're gonna be going down that way. We'll see what happens to that guy. And we're gonna go directly down that way, and then we're gonna go towards this little Mercado as well. That's all these kind of interesting looking rooftops, balconies. This is all the fast moving traffic. It comes from this way and this way. There's two different sides to it. That goes up to Gia Hill up that way. And there's also a park over there called, it's after Explorer. I guess he decided not to go across. He's gonna do the crosswalk instead, I think. Nope. Okay, so we're going to walk down our target street, which is this one right here, and see what we can all see in this area. Got some comida, some restaurants. This street right here, check out those balconies right there. That's really cool. This street is called Brandao. So Brandao actually goes up here, and then when you go up to the top, you can actually look all the way across. And way over there, you can, on the other side of this building is some, let me see if I can get an angle of it. But it'll go all the way down like that. So if you're up on the one spot, up there, I'll just go up a little bit because didn't expect that. So yeah, this is Brandao. And then if you kept going higher, up to the top, and you can kind of see it here. You can kind of see how that goes up like that. So it's kind of a cool space. But yeah, that's Brandao. I have walked it all before. I like those balconies right there. Those are pretty cool. I also like the balconies that were right up here too. Okay, so we are going to keep on going down. And I don't know the history of this yellow building, but I think it's some kind of let me check out the stairs. There's actually stairs that go all the way up like that. And it's like a brick I think that on the other side it says it's a Baptist church, I think. We'll just kind of see if we can get some context for it. Just see. It's definitely a church of some kind. Macau, CTC, HK, CCC. I'm not sure. A sign for it. Kind of want to go across the street and take a look at it from the other side. Okay. We actually got some pretty interesting stuff around here. I think this one is a Taiwan, I think. Let me just go across. Oh yeah, this is a Taiwan. So this is actually a famous Taiwan right there. Used to be a discotheque and a restaurant. And I believe that's the entrance. And then that's that yellow church. You can see it better from this angle. And I'm gonna come out of the rain. Got some tiny little streets like this one. This street is just one block. Starting to get caught by the rain here. Okay, so we're still on our target street, and we started in the introduction. I started over here in the middle. Kind of got some cool looking stuff everywhere. So let me just capture this before we continue on. So we started just a little bit over that way, and then we are going to go down this way. There's our street sign right there. Rua de Henrique de Macedo. And we're gonna walk by the Mercado as well, Municipal Mercado. Got some fruits and vegetables there. You have the Mercado right here. Got some side streets. I did do 2 videos where I went in there recently because I'm filming in this area today. So I don't think I'll go in again. Maybe. This one goes up to Soulbrigada. So we had Brandon Street, Tolina Street. This one is called Supresa Street. And they all just go straight up. And this one goes up to the hospital called Soulbrigada. Then the Mercado is directly to the right. Our street's gonna end fairly soon, and I think I should show you a little bit of this Mercado. So we're gonna walk into this and just kind of show you a little bit of what it looks like. Okay. So I guess this is the staff part. So the workers can go access it from that way. And then this would be the other space in here. And this is all new. So just recently they cleaned it all up and they made it look really nice. You can actually see outside as well up there to the top. Now it looks like you can get food, and you can also sit in these tables as well. So if you wanted to get some really fresh food, vegetables, meat. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our street here. I think it's not really good for me to skip the Mercado since it's right on the street like that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is come back, and then our street's gonna be straight that way. So I'm just gonna go back to our street and just capture a few things going this way. The people here are often going across Rua de Campo, which is the street right there. Okay, so what we're gonna do is continue on, and our street is right here basically, and there's a temple right at it. right there. Okay. So let me just see if we can navigate this. So our Mercado is the yellow building straight right there. And then you still got these uphill streets. So this one you'd actually climb upstairs if you wanted to take it and go all the way up. That car's blocking all the traffic, that white car. I think he's dropping somebody off, but he's gonna start blocking stuff quick. So there's the Mercado. So we basically started down that way and we're just walking up. And then we're gonna get to the end of our street in a moment. And we'll walk this way. Let me see. Okay, so we're gonna walk across. Got a little temple in the corner, but you also have this restaurant on the corner as well, which is equally colorful. So that was our Target Street all the way down. Small little shops. Got a temple right there. More of the temple. I think I got a car coming, so I'm gonna bamboo shaped. That green is kind of bamboo shaped. Small little shop right there. It's kind of cool. The lighting is just about right. Small balcony, small balconies right there. So this street is actually going to end. Are you kidding me? There's a parking garage right here. That guy was blocking all the traffic and you could park. I think that's not it's not for the public. 18 de Dezembro Street. There's a coffee shop right there that's closed at the moment. Oh no, that's closed permanently. I haven't been on this street in about a year. And our street's gonna end right at this corner. So what I'm gonna do is go right to that end and then do a 360 or a 180 or whatever you call it. Noronha Street. And now let's look back. So that was Henrique de Macedo Street. And on that note, we're gonna end it. So hope that was interesting. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.